In this video, we will explain what FMEA is and how to prepare one step by step. FMEA stands for Failure Mode and Effects Analysis. It is a structured method used to identify potential failures before they happen. FMEA helps teams understand what can go wrong, why it can go wrong, and what the impact of that failure could be. It is widely used in manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, and quality management to prevent problems instead of reacting to them. Now let's see how to work with FMEA step by step. Step 1. FMEA Header. At the beginning, define what the FMEA is dedicated to. This can be a product or a process. Identify the FMEA owner or responsible department, for example the quality department. Determine the initialization date and the date of the last update. Remember, the FMEA is a living document and must be updated whenever changes occur. Step 2. Determine failure modes and effects. In this step, define the item, the potential failure, and the effect of that failure. For example, affected item, hydraulic hose. Failure mode, leakage. Effect, O-ring damage, pressure decreasing. This step helps identify what can fail and what happens if it does. Step 3. Determine severity. Severity describes how serious the effect of the failure is. It is rated on a scale from 1 to 10. 1 means very low impact. 10 means extremely high impact, such as safety risk or system shutdown. For example, if pressure loss causes limited system malfunction, the severity rating may be 4. Severity is always based on the effect, not on how often the failure occurs. Step 4. Potential causes and occurrence. Now define what causes the failure. For example, weak assembly crimping. Next, rate the occurrence, how often the failure is likely to happen. Occurrence is rated from 1 to 10. 1 means the failure is very unlikely. 10 means it happens very frequently. In our example, the occurrence rating could be 6. Step 5. Failure control, also called detection. Detection describes how well existing controls can detect the failure before it reaches the customer. Examples of controls include visual inspection, pressure tests, or functional tests. Detection is rated from 1 to 10. 1 means the failure is obvious and almost certain to be detected. 10 means detection is not possible. For example, with a pressure test in place, the detection rating may be 5. Step 6. Output. Now calculate the risk priority number, or RPN. RPN equals severity multiplied by occurrence multiplied by detection. In our example, 4 times 6 times 5 equals 120. The higher the RPN, the higher the risk. Step 7. Prioritize actions. Failures with the highest RPN values must be addressed first. Define actions to reduce the risk. For example, upgrade the pressure test operation or improve the working instruction. Actions should reduce severity, occurrence, or detection. Step 8. Follow-up. FMEA does not end after defining actions. It is a living document that requires regular team brainstorming and follow-up. After actions are implemented, re-evaluate severity, occurrence, and detection. If the risk is not reduced as planned, new solutions must be considered. Benefits of using FMEA include preventing failures before they occur, reducing quality costs, improving product and process reliability, supporting continuous improvement, and increasing customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more engineering and quality management content.